This video will be a review of the Kreg mini pocket hole jig. Okay, so you probably noticed that it's unboxed already. I've actually had this little guy for a while now and used it quite a bit. While I was doing a review on the Kreg rip jig, I mentioned this one in it and that made me think, well, might as well throw in a review of it real quick too. So there's not much to this little guy. It's very easy, it's very simple to use. One of the things that you'll need to go along with that is one of these clamps or something similar to it. This is the Kreg unit. It does not come with that jig. However, this drill bit and little stop collar does come with it. Obviously you'll need a drill as well to use this. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little test to show you a demonstration of how this will work. This piece of wood here is more close to 1 inch and 3/4, but we'll pretend it's 3/4. The jig here is set up for 3/4 primarily, so if you just butt that up against the end of it like so, that will work for 3/4, and then you move it in accordingly depending on how thin your wood is. I believe that one's 1/2 inch, but anyway, look that up for sure. I've only used mine with 3/4. Clamp it on like so. Now your stop bit here, I've already preset, but they're marked how deep to go with it. So just simply put it in there like that. Oh, and when you clamp, try not to cover this hole up right here because that's where the sawdust comes out. Okay, there's our hole. Just like so. Then you use one of the Kreg screws. I highly recommend just staying with those, just because of the way they're made. They're shouldered here and then got the flat end right there. So you just slide it in like so. And I'll just join it up to this piece of wood right here. Just like so, and got a really nice sturdy joint. And you can see it's flush on this side right here. So yeah, these come in really handy with making cabinets and that sort of thing. Typically I would go ahead and run a bead of glue inside of there to help with the joint. Didn't do it for this demonstration because it's just scrap wood. Oh, and then when you're done, you can order the Kreg inserts and put in there and just cover that hole up, sand it up, and you'll notice it, but it'll be less noticeable. Or you can just simply slide a dowel rod in there, cut it, and stain it as needed, or paint. Here's some holes that I've, some pocket holes that I've already drilled and made a cabinet out of. So you see, there's two there, two there. I always try to make them the same distance apart. However, when you're joining a piece where there's going to be two pieces of wood, like right down here is done, what I did is I put, you can't see it, but it's on the bottom, but I put one hole like right here on this side, and on the other side I offset it a bit like that so that they will not touch each other in the wood. So yeah, this little jig works wonderful. It's cheap, it's inexpensive, and it saves a lot of time. Look down there in the description for a link to the jig on Amazon. I greatly appreciate it if you use that link to purchase yours to help support this channel. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.